5 clever space-saving vertical organizer ideas for small bedroom. 1. Consider the back of your closet door. One has to really rack their brain when thinking of space-saving storage for a small room. The back of your closet door should make the cut when it comes to tiny space storage. Hang a slim wire basket to store non-heavy stuff like books, crafting essentials, or your knickknacks. Better to hang one with lots of shelves, so it can store many things. Instead of having your desk covered in clutter, keep your narrow items in view by storing them in a hanging wire rack. Use this clever vertical organizer idea for small bedroom and turn your room into a mess-free haven. 2. Practical shelves. Floating storage is always a good choice for small space storage dilemma. Instead of crowding your bedroom with horizontal organizers, build a vertical one with 2 planks of wood boards and make 2-tiered shelf with them. Mount them on the wall with narrow nooks on both sides. Here, your shelves yield a storage for lamp, clock, vases or book collection. 3. Or opt for deep shelves above the headboard. If small floating shelves just won't do for your stuff, then deep shelves above the bed ought to do it. Consider removing some drywall to avoid extending shelves into the room itself. Create recessed spaces between the studs, and you could opt to add doors to enclose them or install shallow shelf insert. The shelves would be great for storing luggage and boxes of off-season clothes. 4. Pretty hangers for a quick solution. If building a door organizer seems like too much work, but buying it is also not an option because you're quite strapped on cash, then what you need is hooks. Yup, hang your jackets, hats, bags or chunky necklaces on a grouping of interesting hooks. Attach several of them on the wall, and if they're decorative then they will serve as wall decor as well. 5. Vertical bookshelf. With only one pallet you can make 4 shelves to store your book collection. Measure the inside of the bottoms of the shelves so that you can cut 2x4s to size and screw them in place. Otherwise, all the books will fall out the bottom of your nifty new shelf. Sand them down to get rid of rough edges and corners. You can scrape the wood with a hammer and some nails to give some more character to it. Stain them with a brush by running it over the surface of the shelves one time, then immediately use a rag to rub in the stain.